Working in Outlook Express. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss how to work in Outlook Express. There are few popular email services like Yahoo, Gmail, AOL, Windows Live, and Hotmail, etc. across the world. But Outlook Express is the default email service application for Windows. The Outlook Express interface appears bright, with two new menus and a set of tools in the toolbar. Below, we have a folder's taskbar and a screen displaying the options of email, newsgroups, and contacts. The tip of the day displays at the right end of the screen. If we want to show the inbox interface instead of this screen, then check the box. So the next time we open the application, the inbox interface will open up. In the toolbar, there are Create Mail button, Send Receive button, Address Book option, and the Find button. The Create Mail button is used in composing mail, that is, writing an email. Click this button, and a new message dialog box opens up. In the dialog box, we have a menu bar, a toolbar, and a message box. In the To box, type the email address to whom we are sending the email. In the CC, carbon copy box, this is used to send the same mail to others, and we can add more mail addresses here. In the subject box, we can type headlines or the gist or topic of the email here. In the message box, we can type the content of the mail. After typing the mail, we can change the font style, size, bullets, make characters bold, etc. As I become hyperactive while drafting mail, hence Check Names feature always comes to rescue me. Just select the content and click the Spell Check button in the toolbar. If we want to cut or copy or paste any email address or content, then we can use these options in the toolbar, and we can reverse any process by selecting the Undo button. After drafting the mail and typing the address properly, click the Send button and the dialog box exits. If we want to check whether the email has been delivered, then click the Send or Receive Mail button from the toolbar. A dialog box opens up showing the process, and under the Tasks tab, we can see the results. Or select Sent Items. In this folder, we can view the mail displayed with details like the mail address, subject, time, and date of the mail sent from the Outlook Express. The inbox folder is the place where all mail we receive from others will be stored. While working offline, that is not connected to the Internet, the mails that we send will be stored in the Outbox folder. Later, when we come online and connect to the Internet, then after selecting the Send Receive button, the mails in the Outbox will be sent. The Deleted Items folder is the place where deleted mail will be stored in case of future need. Drafts folder is the place where we can store the incomplete or saved messages. Later we can complete and send it. When we select the Inbox folder, a list of tools appear in the toolbar, like Reply, Reply All, Forward, Print, and Delete. The Reply button is used to send the reply to the email. When we select this button, the Reply Mail dialog box opens up with a similar look we saw in the Create Mail interface. Reply All has the same functionality, but the only difference is it sends mail to both the sender and recipient as well. The Forward option is used to send the mail to others than the recipient and sender. We can also make a printout of the mail by selecting the Print option, as well as delete the mail in order to keep our account clean from unwanted mails dumped in the account. Using the Addresses option, we can store the contact details of friends, clients, family members, customers, and others. The Find option is used to find the mail needed either by the name or the message or the subject of the mail. I hope you can now send and receive emails by yourself. So why wait? Start sending email, photos, documents to your dear ones, friends, and to the world. Let's talk about the chat application in the upcoming tutorial.